In today's video, I'll show you how you can mark issues as complete and change statuses in Linear. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go here into Linear and then go into the Issues section right here on the left menu. Once you're here, you can now go here into All Issues, Active, Backlog, or your sample views right here. So in my case, I'll just go for all issues so I can see everything. So here are all the issues here in Linear. So I have a couple of issues right here that is still in my backlog. And let's say that I would want to change the status on that specific issue. For example, I would want this one. Click on that. And then once you open up that issue, you would now be able to see it right here under properties. You can see the backlog or this circle right here, circle icon. You can click on that. And this is basically the status. So you can memorize or get yourself familiarized with these icons right here for each status so that you would know which status the issue is in just by looking at the symbol. So right here, backlog, I can mark it as complete or done by clicking here on this icon. As you can see, it's now marked as complete or done. And then when I go back, it will now be categorized right here under the done section on all issues. So that is this one, right? And now you could also change it into other statuses if you'd want to, like in progress, duplicate, triage, and many more. So let's say in progress, and then let's go back right here into issues, and then you would now see it here in progress. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.